Good morning. Cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. I'm getting an early start on the day, and I have a special guest coming. And anytime I have guests during the summertime and I've got tomatoes, this is what I fix. Tomato pie or basil tomato tart, whatever you want to call it. It's always delicious and everybody loves it. Especially, like I say, during garden season when you've got fresh ones coming in. I'm going to put about a half a cup of mayonnaise. And you could choose to use Greek yogurt. You could choose to use sour cream even, like if you don't have any mayonnaise. My recommendation for the best tomato pie is mayonnaise because it's greasy and it melts down with that cheese and those tomatoes, and it's so incredibly good. Okay, where's my scissors at? Oh, there they are. I am going to simply cut a few sprigs of rosemary, and good morning, good morning, good morning, into my mixture. I'm also going to skin this oregano and put some oregano in mine. You don't have to do that. You could put garlic. I'm going to use some onions on this one today. I am excited. Early bird catches the worm, and I have caught him this morning. Okay, now the most important thing, in my opinion, is the basil. So what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to lay some basil on the bottom. I have taken this pie out of the freezer and thought it, get back, you don't even like this. Cookie's in the kitchen with me. I don't remember what I was saying. Basil. I think I was talking about basil. Anyway, you can do this any way you want to, as long as you don't run the pie shell over, like overfill it. Then it drips down into the oven, it makes a mess. Okay, so there's my basil. This one's going to be really pretty when it's cut too. The colors are going to pop. And I'm going to lay my Better Boy. I sliced those about 25 minutes ago and salted them generously so it would draw out a little bit of the moisture. And then I'm going to add my onion. Just a few slices. Get back. This is a red onion or purple, whatever you call it, where you are from. And I'm going to slice it as thin as possible. And then I'm going to lay some of the slices in my pie. That purple color will be beautiful when it's cut. Okay, let me give this a little mix. I want to put some pepper in here, some black ground pepper. No, ma'am. Then I want to put a layer of sharp cheddar. Get back. About a half a cup. And then I'm going to put another layer of tomatoes. Get back. This is going to be yummy. And it's going to have all of the flavors that's in my garden right now. Okay. Now, to the top of this. I'm gonna grab some pepper dill cheese. Stop. And I'm just gonna use my knife to cut some of this and lay it over the top before I put the topping on. You can use any cheese you like. I like dill. I think it brings out the freshness of the vegetables. And so will the fresh herbs. And y'all get to guess who's coming. Who's coming for dinner today? Okay. Now, to the top of this, I'm going to put just a little more cheese in my mixture here. About a half a cup, fourth to a half, depending on what you like. I'm going to do about a fourth. Mix it up. I'm still in my pajamas. Where's my pepper? Let's do one more dose of pepper over here. Again, to your liking. And you know, you can add pepper and salt after the fact, after it's cooked. Now I'm going to bake this in a 375 degree oven. Usually takes 20 to 30 minutes, depending on how your oven cooks. But I have made these all summer. I've probably made 2 per week. And I eat them, or I give them to somebody. Or I share it with my mom and daddy. And they love the last one. Well, my daddy did. He loves everything, though. He's so easy to cook for. And that, my friends, is going to be part of what's for dinner tonight when my special guest arrives. The taste of summer, y'all. All in one pie. Let me set my timer. And I'm going to clean up the kitchen. I'm going to chat in just a second here. Let me turn y'all around where I can see you. Hey, y'all. I know, listen, my hair's a mess. I just got up out of the bed about 2 hours ago. And I have been busy getting... Where is my mayonnaise? Oh. Busy getting ready for the guests. Cook! Are we having company cooking? Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Okay. And I have a fresh cantaloupe that I'm going to cut up. And it'll be delicious. I don't know if I've tried tomato pie. Stacy, if you love tomatoes like I do, it's a must. You'll love it. Let me grab my coffee. They are the best thing, in my opinion, to make for summertime. And it tastes like summertime every bite. Good morning, Nancy. And good morning, Linda. Good morning. Looks like I am on the way to... I know, right, Stacy? If you put an egg in there, you get your protein as well. You could put bacon in it or cheese. Any kind of cheese. You could also put ham or turkey or chicken or whatever you want to. Anyway, Cookie Monster has just grabbed something and ran off with it. So I'm pretty sure she's not supposed to have it. Cookie, come see me. Okay, you got your toy. Good girl. That's a good girl. Yeah, ma'am. You want a treat? You want a carrot? Come see me. She loves carrots. Have a sit down, please. Good girl. Yeah, ma'am. You can put carrots in this if you want to. Anyway, that's what I'm doing this morning in my kitchen. I hope y'all have a wonderful... Is it Wednesday? No, it's Tuesday. Lord, I don't even know what day it is. I need some more caffeine. Thanks for following Cooking, Cutting Up, Keeping It Real. Like, share, and comment if you love the recipes. I'll keep them coming. Have a great day. Bye.